The Divi summer sale ends today, which means this is your last chance to get some of the biggest discounts we have ever offered in any of our sales over the past 16 years. If you're new to Divi, you can get 70% off Divi when you purchase Divi Pro. You get Divi for use on unlimited websites, unlimited Divi AI usage, unlimited Divi Cloud storage, 4 team seats, VIP support around the clock, and a $50 Divi Marketplace credit as an added sign-up bonus. If you are already a Divi customer, you can get over 70% off Divi and your favorite Divi services when you purchase a Divi bundle. The more services in your bundle, the bigger the discount. You can even consolidate your a la carte services today and save hundreds or thousands of dollars by locking in the summer discount. You'll find huge discounts on individual services too, such as 60% off Divi AI, our biggest Divi AI discount ever. Divi AI is now better than ever thanks to our recent release of Divi Quick Sites, empowering you to generate entire Divi websites with AI. And don't forget about the Divi Marketplace. Some outstanding summer bundles will only be available until the end of the day, including the Divi Module Booster Bundle that unlocks over 250 new modules. You'll also find discounts across the entire marketplace with big discounts on the most popular Divi extensions, layouts, and child themes. Head over to elegantthemes.com/summer to access the sale before it ends.